Are you tired of plain walls? Unleash your inner decorator with awesomeness and inspiring wall decorations ideas. Let's dive into the world of wall decor. Express your individuality. Paint your walls in vibrant colors. Add mesmerizing patterns inspired by your favorite trips. Let your walls be an extension of your unique self, enhancing your space's ambiance. Change the atmosphere of a room by hanging elegant tapestries for a cozy feeling, or striking wall decals for a more modern touch. Let your walls set the mood and leave your guests impressed. Optimize limited space. Maximize small spaces with floating shelves that create extra storage. Hang vertical gardens to bring greenery indoors. Wall-mounted organizers can make clutter disappear. Make the most of your wall's potential. Instant room refresh. Transform your space with quick and easy wall decorations. Create a wall gallery with the precious memories or a mural that tells your story. Say goodbye to monotony. Budget-friendly creativity. Decorating can be inexpensive. Embrace DIY projects using recycled materials or repurposed items you already have. Turn that old guitar into wall art. Get creative without breaking the bank. Let your imagination run wild and think outside the box. Make your walls a canvas for self-expression, a mood setter, a space optimizer, and a source of endless entertainment. Turn your plain walls into stunning works of art that impress your friends and make your enemies jealous. Share your creative wall decorations in the comments below and spread your love for innovative wall decor ideas. Creativity and humor go hand in hand, even regarding walls.